I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious burgers from minced meat. First, let's talk about the foundation, your mince. For the juiciest, most flavorful burgers, aim for a blend that's about 80% lean and 20% fat. This ratio ensures your patties stay moist and tender. Freshly ground beef is always a fantastic choice for superior taste and texture. Avoid anything too lean, or your burgers might end up a bit dry. Now let's get those patties shaped just right. Gently form your mince into patties that are about 3/4 of an inch thick. Make them slightly wider than your burger buns, as they will shrink a bit during cooking. A crucial tip: press a small indentation into the center of each patty. This simple trick helps prevent the burger from bulging in the middle, ensuring an even cook. Remember to handle the meat as little as possible to keep them tender. Seasoning is key to a great burger. Just before cooking, generously sprinkle both sides of your patties with salt and freshly ground black pepper. For cooking, a hot grill or cast iron pan works wonders. Cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes per side for a delicious medium doneness. If you prefer a more precise cook, use a meat thermometer to ensure an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety and perfect results. Once your burgers are cooked, don't rush to serve them. Let them rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the patty, ensuring every bite is incredibly moist and flavorful. While they rest, quickly toast your burger buns for a delightful crunch and to prevent them from getting soggy. Finally, assemble your masterpiece with your favorite toppings, from melty cheese to crisp lettuce and juicy tomatoes. Enjoy your homemade burger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.